Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and it's a beautiful, I believe, October night here on the Las Vegas Strip in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're standing in front of the Mirage Hotel and Casino. We're going to check out the Volcano show tonight. So as far as I'm concerned, there's two really big free shows here on the Las Vegas Strip. One, of course, would be the Bellagio fountain shows, and the other one, the Mirage Volcano shows. Some people like the volcano more than the fountains. Some people like the fountains more than the volcano. It's a matter of personal choice. Personally, I wouldn't feel my trip to the Vegas Strip was complete unless I saw both of them. And if you ask people, which one do you like better, the volcano show at the Mirage or the fountains at the Bellagio? It really depends on who you ask. If you're a regular visitor, you're probably going to pick the Bellagio because, well, those fountain shows always change. Whereas the Mirage show, very impressive, but it's pretty much the same every time you see it. I'm in Vegas quite often, and I really like the Mirage Volcano show, but like I said, once is enough for me because it's the same show pretty much every time. Whereas the Bellagio Fountain Show is constantly mixing it up several times a night, every day of the week, and as a frequent visitor, I really appreciate that. The Volcano Show is every hour on the hour starting at 8 o'clock. I believe it goes until 10 o'clock, maybe 11 o'clock, I guess, depending upon the time of the year. But check with the front desk and they'll let you know exactly how long the shows go. But it's starting at 8 o'clock every hour on the hour. So it looks like the show's about to begin. I'm going to let it run through its entirety without any commentary because it has some great music that goes along with the fireworks or the volcano works, if you will. I don't believe there's a copyright on the sound effects that go along with this, so I'm just going to let it run by itself. I hope you enjoy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I enjoy it every time. There's nothing like seeing it live, but video's always second best, I guess. A little bit crowded here on the Las Vegas Strip for a late October, early November evening, and I'm going to head down south towards the Bellagio for a Bellagio fountain show, so stay tuned for that video coming up soon here on the New York channel.
If you put a buck in my cup, I am going to shut the up. And you ain't gotta be a baller to give me a dollar.
Ah, the good old pre-COVID days when Buck in the Cup guy was roaming the strip and no one was wearing face masks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.